As you can see here, the DVR is working. The light is on. And the SD card for the DVR insert here. Now it is connected by the USB here. Connect to the Android screen on the back. Now we need to install the apps. Install. Install here. This DVR contains the apps itself. So click open. Allow. Okay. Now you can see the camera is working. Here. This light is flashing. It is recording. You can make photo here. Capture. Video. Playback. You can track the video here. Example, I click here. The video. The video we played just now, you can check here. Okay, and photos we just made. Exit. That's all. Thank you very much.